What's up, guys, and welcome back to Book of Entertainment. So, there is something kind of sad that occurred, and it is that Julius Malema was absent during the questioning of Shadrach Sibia at the ad hoc committee. And as you know, Julius Malema is one of the best brains that is there at the ad hoc committee. We all saw what Julius Malema did, when he was questioning General Mkwanazi. And now, unfortunately, Julius Malema was absent during the questioning of General Shadrach Sibia. So everybody was questioning why, It's like people were saying, you know what? Julius Malema was present during the questioning of General Mkwanazi because, there was a lot of media attention and everybody was going to be hearing what Mkwanazi has to say. And now it's time for somebody else who has lesser media attention and he is nowhere to be seen. So those are the questions being thrown around, as to why Malema was unavailable. So Malema was unavailable, due to other commitments that have not yet been revealed, by Malema himself, no, the EFF. So maybe people were saying Malema is afraid, because Shadrach Sibia might end up implicating him, because people are saying Malema is a convict, this and that. There are files, that Malema is afraid are going to be revealed if he is there present. So it's best, that he just moves away, and let the thing to be on its own. So we are waiting for the EFF to release a statement. I'll catch you guys on the next one.